Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you one of my birthday gifts. I found it on my porch, packaged just like this. I don't know if Lodge has a gift option, but if you order anything that's supposed to be a surprise, you may want to check on that, because this is what it looked like when it was on the porch, and it says exactly what it is on the package. Y'all know I've been saying I will eventually find a fluted cake pan on the factory seconds at the Lodge store in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, but these were on sale for Valentine's Day, which is also my birthday, so Steve told me to go ahead and order one. He wanted me to go ahead and order it because he was concerned he would get something wrong. But we know that wouldn't happen because he's perfect in every way. But look at it. Isn't that a beautiful cake pan? It is heavy. It has $18.96 on one handle and Lodge on the other. I'm on a low-carb diet, so I wasn't planning on making any cakes, but since I was invited to participate in Southern Roots by Sherry's pound cake collaboration, I decided to make a low-carb pound cake for my birthday. Y'all can see that video on March 3rd. Her collaboration starts on March 1st. I will tell y'all, I do not lose weight if I eat cake. Low carb or not, it does not matter. I do not lose weight. The difference is with low carb flours, I don't gain weight like I do with white flour, and it also doesn't raise my blood sugar, but I do not lose weight. So I try to avoid eating a lot of floury things and sugar substitutes, because certain sugar substitutes will make my blood sugar rise. Now, every person is different. Everybody's body's different. Some people can handle it. Some people can't. I'm one of those that can't. But I have figured out what I can and cannot use as far as sugar substitutes over the last 5 months. I will make a video going over all of this after I post all the recipes I've made from the Southern Keto cookbook. As far as cake, I only eat cake on my birthday or Steve's birthday, and it's usually cheesecake, not regular cake. So you may ask, why get a fluted cake pan if you don't make a lot of cakes? Well, there's other things you can do with it besides make cake, so stay tuned for those videos in the upcoming months. For those of you new to cast iron, Lodge cast iron comes pre-seasoned. I typically wash it with soap and hot water like this, and I have a Lodge brush that I use to loosen up anything that may have stuck to it while it was shipping, and I wash all sides. Then I get a towel or a paper towel and dry it. And then I get some oil and I brush it on it and put it in a 425-degree oven. I used to season my cast iron with Crisco, and I still think that is probably the best thing to season it with, but I'm not supposed to be using Crisco on this diet. So I'm using avocado oil because it does have a high heat point. But in my opinion, it doesn't do the job that Crisco does. Also, I normally do a full seasoning on new cookware from Lodge because things still stick even with their pre-season. But this time, I'm just heating up the cake pan because I'm going to go ahead and make my birthday cake. I do not have time today to wait for it to fully season and then bake the cake. So we will see how it does with just one Lodge pre-season and me heating up a little bit of oil in it. If it sticks, it's going to be okay because it's just me and Steve. We don't care if the cake sticks a little bit. We're the only ones eating this cake. That's all I'm showing you today because once it's heated up in the oven, I'm just going to be pouring the cake batter in, and I don't want y'all to see all that because I'm saving that for the March collaboration. So you can see that video on March 3rd. As far as my birthday, I had a great 50th birthday. Steve got me this cake pan, a new concrete bird bath, and a thermal camera so I can find the owl that I keep hearing at night. So if y'all see me outside at night looking up at the trees, just know I'm owl searching. I'm okay. I really am. We did some eventful old people stuff on my birthday. We went to vote. It is time to vote for the Chattanooga mayor and city council. So if you live in Chattanooga, get out and vote. We went to Home Depot, Hobby Lobby, and Red Lobster for lunch. And we went by the cemetery to put flowers on Steve's parents' grave. And then we went by the Chickamauga Dam to see how much water was flowing through the locks. And I'm telling y'all, it was some exciting stuff. I got to see some birds over there too. We enjoyed it, but it doesn't take much to entertain us. We just enjoy being together. I will try to post more cooking videos this week. I've been very busy doing everyone's taxes and working on getting my new business venture up and going. I have a few goals set for this year that I'm trying my best to stick with, so they are time consuming. I want to get busy with these videos and get these backlog of cooking videos posted soon though. But anyway, I'm going to quit rambling. Thanks so much for watching and subscribing. I hope y'all have a very, very blessed week.